Okay. So cost centers and cost categories in a tally, ma. What is cost centers and cost categories in tally prime? Why we are using this one, ma?
Okay.
At present, all expenses and incomes we are recording in a tally. So what
Okay.
total salaries, telephone expenses, petrol allowance, rent, that like we are updating, ma.
Okay.
Total expenses also we are finding. But
Okay.
why we are using cost categories and cost centers means I want to find out a total expenses of a company at the same time department wise expenses of a company. On that purpose, I am using cost centers and cost categories.
Okay.
So I have in a company we have a different types of departments we are having, different types of employees we are having, different types of projects also we are having, different types of branches we are having in a company, no?
Yes.
I want to find out for each employee how much salaries I am paying, how much telephone expenses I am paying, how much petrol allowance I am paying, what are the total expenses of a sales department, what are the total
Okay.
expenses of a Bangalore branch, Chennai branch.
Okay.
So depending on the work, it is possible to separating this one, ma.
Okay.
For example, here I took one example. On the place of cost categories, I am created groups, ma. I mean departments of a company, ma.
Okay.
On the place of cost centers, I am creating salaries, sorry. On the place of cost centers, I am creating employee names, ma.
Okay.
In each department, how many employees we are having, how much expenses it is going on.
Okay.
See, after that, this is total expenses of a company, ma.
Yes. Yes.
This like, oh, for example, I am selected this one. Depending on the company, depending on the work, it is possible to using this, changing these categories and that cost centers names, ma.
Yes. Yes.
So on the place of this departments, you can use it branch names or project names, that and all.
Okay.
So now see here, so sales, marketing, purchase and accounting departments we have. Some common expenses we are having, salaries and telephone expenses and petrol expenses.
Yes.
So how much we are paid. So now how to use this one in tally prime, ma. So this is
Okay.
not a compulsory, ma, optional this one.
Okay. Okay.
So in your company, do you want to use this one means you can use it, otherwise not required, ma.
Okay.
First of all, we want to activate this one, that one, ma.
Okay.
You can press F11 features.
Okay.
See here, enable cost center, see how you can press it. Yes, ma.
Okay.
After setting yes, you can save the screen, Control A.
Okay.
Now, first of all, you can go to here, create, ma.
Okay.
Under create, we have a accounting masters. Under accounting masters, here it is showing no cost center.
Cost
It is
center.
showing.
Yes.
But cost category it is not showing, no, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
You can click here, show more option, ma.
Okay.
So once we are clicked show more option, here cost category it is showing, no.
Yes.
You can press enter, ma.
Okay.
It is asking create new, alter existing. Create new, you can click it, ma.
Okay.
Now under cost category, we have a departments, no, you can create it that and all.
Okay.
So like purchase department. So enter, you can save it. Next to sales department.
Okay.
So next we have marketing department. So next accounting department. So for example, I branch names also like Bangalore branch.
Okay.
So our project 1 or project 2, this like anything it is possible to segregate here, ma.
Okay.
Next, I am completed cost category. Now cost center you can create it, ma.
Okay.
First of all, we are selected cost center creation screen. It is asking category, no, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Category means under sales department, how many employees we have, that employee names I am creating under cost center, ma.
Okay. Okay.
So that what employees name, I have 2 employees in sales department. Kiran and Manuma. Kiran,
Okay.
I am creating. Next, how many employees you have? This like you can create it. Ma.
Okay.
I am created now. Sales department, under sales department, how many employees we have? I am created. Ma.
Okay.
Now you can press backspace. Ma. Next to department,
Okay.
you can select it. Ma. Next to marketing department. Under marketing department, I have 2 employees, Vikram and Reddy.
Okay.
Vikram, I am created. Next to Reddy.
Okay.
Next, again, you can press backspace. Next to department,
Okay.
what you have, you can select it. Ma.
Okay.
I am selecting purchase department. Under purchase department, we have 2 employees, Pavan and Sai.
Okay.
So that purchase department also we are completed. Next, accounts department, backspace, you can select it. Ma. Under accounts department, we have Kamal and Kamal 1. Next to
Okay.
Siri. Kamal and Siri. So we are completed no? This and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now ledgers we want to create. Ma.
Okay.
I mean, what expenses ledgers we have, that and all we want to create.
Okay.
First of all, some expenses ledgers we have. I am going to alter and check. Ma.
Okay.
Alter, ledger. See what expenses we have. We have salaries, telephone expenses, and petrol allowance. Ma. See,
Okay.
salaries already we have.
Yes.
See, ma, here cost centers are applicable. Yes, we want to hear. Ma. Automatically,
Okay.
yes, it is. Once we are enabled that cost centers, automatically,
Okay.
yes, it is coming. Ma.
Okay.
So, enter, you can save it now.
Okay.
Next, I will check the telephone expenses we have. We don't have, no?
Yes.
Okay, I am creating now, ma. So, I
Okay.
am going to create a ledger. I am creating. So, telephone expenses.
Okay.
It comes under indirect expenses. So, cost centers are applicable. Yes, ma.
Okay.
Next, what we have? Petrol allowance. It comes under indirect expenses. You can save it, ma.
Okay.
Next, so that's all. No? That's expenses
Yes.
only we have. Suppose, ma, if you want to alter cost centers and cost categories, if you want to delete means, you can go to alter, ma.
Okay.
You can select it cost category.
Yes.
See how much we are created. It is displaying.
Yes.
Now you can go to here, enter. You can press Alt to D. It is deleting. No?
Okay.
It is possible to editing also.
Okay. Okay.
Same like cost centers also. Ma.
Okay.
Okay. So now we are completed that and all. Now
Okay.
we are going to vouchers. Ma.
Okay.
Now all expenses only we have. I am going to payment. Ma.
Okay.
First salaries we have. I am selecting salaries. Ma.
Okay.
Now total, ma, in sales department, so total salaries, how much we are paying, that total amount we want to enter here, ma.
Okay.
In sales department, total salaries we are paying 25,000, ma.
Okay.
25,000 I am updated. See, immediately it is asking cost category, ma.
Okay.
25,000 salaries you are paying. For which department you are paying, it is asking, ma.
Okay.
So first cost category I am selecting. See, cost category main heading. See, right side
yes.
it is showing what categories we have.
Okay.
Sales department. Now name of your cost center. 15,000, 25,000 salary you are paying for sales department. For each
Yes.
employee, how much you are paying?
Okay.
So for Kiran, I am paying. See, already we are created names also. 15,000 ma.
Okay.
So next employee, what we have? Manu we have. Remaining for Manu ma, like this ma.
Okay.
So now it is tallied, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now enter.
Okay.
So now next to, I'm making debit here, ma. Credit it is showing. I'm changing debit to.
Okay.
Next to say telephone expenses also. I am recording here only.
Okay.
For sales department, total telephone expenses I am paying 3,500, ma.
Okay.
Now this is a sales department. For each person, how much you are giving?
Okay.
So for Kiran 2000. So remaining for Manu.
Okay.
So next again debit I am changing. So next to petrol allowance I am how much I am giving for this department people.
Okay.
5,500 rupees. Same like ma sales department. So for Kiran,
Okay.
how much you are giving? 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
So for Manu. Now see for sales department, how much salaries we are paying, how much telephone expenses, how much petrol allowance we have. It is showing clearly, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are paying through cash or check, you can select it.
Okay.
So for all departments like this, you want to record.
Okay, ma'am.
So enter, you can save it.
Okay.
Next again salaries I am selecting ma. For next
Okay.
department I am using now marketing department.
Okay.
Total salary is 29,000 I am paying ma.
Okay.
Now same like see it is asking that caste category. Now what is our department? Marketing department.
Okay.
For under marketing department we have two employees Vikram and Reddy. So for Vikram I am paying 15,000 rupees ma.
Okay.
So remaining for Reddy.
Okay.
Same like I am changing debit here. So next to telephone expenses I am updating.
Okay.
Telephone expenses 11,000 rupees we are paying ma.
Okay.
Here this is marketing department. So we have two employees Vikram and Reddy. So for Vikram how much we are paying? 5,000 ma.
Okay.
Enter. Next to same thing you can update it. So next to petrol allowance. So for petrol allowance we have so 7 6 6 12 13,500 rupees ma.
Okay.
So marketing department. So for Vikram, how much we are giving? 7,000 rupees ma.
Okay.
So you understood no ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this all departments you want to enter ma.
Okay.
Now I want to view the reports ma. So
Okay.
total how many branches we have, how many departments we have in a company.
Okay.
For each department how much expenses we are paying.
Okay.
Which department expenses is highest.
Okay.
I want to find out that all those things ma.
Okay.
Display more reports. So
Okay.
you can go to here statement of accounts ma.
Okay. Awesome.
Now cost centers you can select it ma.
Okay.
Now category summary ma. See, it is possible to view category wise, cost center wise, ledger wise also ma.
Okay.
Now category summary. Category summary means department wise ma.
Okay.
See, two department values only we are updated. See, marketing department total expenses it is showing. Sales department total expenses it is showing ma. If you want to view clearly, you can give enter. Monthly wise it is
Okay.
showing. See, every month,
Okay.
monthly expenses also it is possible to comparing here, no?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
See, now salary, so see, enter, it is showing.
Okay.
Next, suppose I am selecting now cost center breakup. See, names only it is showing employee names. So now
Yes.
which
Yes.
department details I want to view? Marketing department. Under marketing department, we have indirect expenses. So
Yes.
so what is the petrol allowance? How much salaries? How much telephone expenses? How much? So entry wise also it is showing ma.
Okay.
Next to ledger wise, I want to view only petrol allowance now ma. See, only petrol allowance for marketing department, how much we spent. For sales department, how much we spent.
Okay.
So for marketing department expenses only highest, no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Enter, see that employee wise it is showing.
Okay.
Next to group means indirect expenses, you can select it ma.
Okay.
See, for indirect expenses, how much we have it is showing.
Okay.
You now you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
what is cost centers and cost categories, why we are using that one, and which purpose we are using.
Yes, yes.
For example, one example I explained, depending on the work, it is possible to changing cost center and cost category names.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will share this 2 examples for you. You can practice it, ma.
Okay.
So wait, I am sending mail now only.
Okay.